Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin replacing the battery on your Dyson SV12, you will need a few essential tools: a Torx T15 screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean microfiber cloth for any necessary internal cleaning. Make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged from any power source before proceeding. 1. Remove the main body. Start by detaching the main body of the vacuum from the wand. Press the release button on the wand connection and pull apart. 2. Access the battery compartment. Using your Torx T15 screwdriver, locate and remove the screws holding the battery compartment cover. There are typically 2 screws on the back of the vacuum. Set these aside safely. 3. Remove the battery. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If you encounter resistance, use the small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it up, ensuring not to damage any surrounding components. 4. Clean the compartment. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery compartment using the microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can affect performance, so it's essential to keep this area clean. 5. Install the new battery. Take your new Dyson battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Gently press down until it clicks into place. 6. Reattach the cover. Once the battery is securely installed, replace the cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure the screws are tight but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the plastic. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our team provides professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can rest assured that your vacuum is in good hands. 7. Test the vacuum. After reassembling, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to check if it operates correctly. If everything is working properly, you have successfully replaced the battery. In case you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We provide a quote before any repair, ensuring you're fully informed of the costs involved. No calls, no travel, just a straightforward solution from the comfort of your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.